coming under you. Right here, we got it. Turn me. Sharp. Harder, harder, harder. He's north of us. Alright, get me in a good position here. Alright, when we get up here, we'll get... Alright, Chopper, he is northbound on Old State now. He's back onto the road, coming up here to Bowtown.
Anything on the road right now on Old State?
Everyone's behind them. Turn it on to Bowtown. Turn on to Bowtown.
Yep, Chopper, he is on the road. He's on Bowtown Road, going west here. Gonna make, okay, now he's turning back to the north on the side. Nope, back out in the fields again we go. We are recording this, just FYI.
.10819.
Looks like he's gonna, heading towards State Route 521 here up in the town. He's still going north through the fields here. And he's just about up to, I guess that's 65, I'm sorry. And he's going to go west on State Route 521, I guess it is.
Yeah, he's going down, looks like he's about to stay on County Home, I'll call it.
Yep, he's staying on County Home Road, westbound from 521 here. And he's maintaining his lane here, not driving too fast. And traffic is really light.
Radio, PKK 5884, PKK 58.
Get behind him, watching some ravine back there, so be careful.
Yeah, he's off-road again. He's north of 65 here, going through the fields. About to come up on some kind of court, but I don't have a name for it. And he's going to go northbound on whatever that is there, this lane. Well, never mind, he just crossed it. He's still going northwest through the fields here now.
Out by the dog warden. All King 5884, PKK 5884.
One unit in the field, the other unit pull off to the road. I don't want a bunch of units in the fields right now. 19, he's about 5 miles an hour right now. We got 2 units behind. It's okay if we stay behind him for now. Fine. I'm parallel right now watching.
Yeah, they're in a kind of a flat part of this. If they try to get away from them right now, they have to drive through a plowed field. So until they get back out on the road, I think they're kind of stuck behind your vehicle here for now. He's going real slow though, 5-10 miles an hour. It's kind of a ravine ditch here that's not plowed that he's staying on.
Anybody able to get up there with spikes if he makes it out to 42 or the other road? I'm trying to jump out on Cackler.
I'm thinking he's messed up his truck. Yeah.
I wonder if he's got a flat or something, or...
He's almost coming to a stop. I think his vehicle's shutting down here.
Yeah, we agree. He keeps getting slower and slower here. I think it's just about over.
Are you with me here?
Yeah.
Tower, okay.
We're in the RO. I don't think that's him driving now.
Copy, thank you. 9080 and heavy clear as well.
980 copy.
Yeah, whoever's driving's got a red shirt on now. I zoomed in earlier. I'm not sure what color shirt it was earlier, but yeah, your driver's possibly a male white with a red shirt. case we go running here. But I don't know where he could run. He's in the middle of nowhere now. I don't see anybody in the front passenger seat, but there's possibly somebody back here in that king cab area.
232.
Yeah. And we have her Saturn
I'm out boxing them in.
taken from 4615 Wadsworth Court.
Hey, we need a fourth for that. We get another car out here. He's driving real slow. We have 3 now.
Will be soon. Female's named.
Yep, I think he's done right here. Oh, he's putting it in reverse. Maybe he's got reverse now. Maybe he's done. He's trying to go back forward again. I think he's just stuck and his truck's dead.
Doing well.
Disregard. He's got reverse working now, so watch yourselves back there.
Hamilton Township, I'll be T1 at 8.
Copy 23. Can you start that way?
Both those trucks. Both Paul King.
Alright, so he's using reverse now. He's going southbound through the field here towards County Home Road.
22 is clear.
Everybody throw their spikes out behind them?
Oh, like your spikes are going to work in the field, are they?
Copy, thank you.
I don't know.
Continue to 22.
It might. I don't know.
Depends on how far the field is. 22, I'm fine out here.
Copy.
19. Hey, if we can get a fourth car out here, we can box him in. He's going extremely slow.
Alright. I don't know if that's more close, but I'll start heading over back to kind of like Tackler. 97, you just want to kind of hang out there in case it goes back that way again.
Yep.
69, I got it.
Alright, they're going to box him in, I think, right here.
9130.
Start for 31.
Copy.
Alright. They got 4 vehicles out here now on him. I think they're going to try to box him. He's got forward working again here now. But he's down real slow. I doubt he's going more than 1 or 2 miles an hour here in the field. Attempting to spike him here. I don't think that one took.
Get that close to him, pays him.
Yeah.
Alright, next car, get on the driver's side of him. The next car, get him behind him. And then the fourth car, get in front to get the block in.
Alright, you got 2 almost on both sides of him now. Yeah, there we go. The deputy on the left side, you want to get up in their front. And whoever's in the white vehicle, you got the rear right there. Alright, he broke through the lead one there. And, yeah, I think it might be, well, he's still got an opening in the front here.
Is anyone injured?
Okay, yeah, he's starting to ram the cars now, just trying to push his way through. I'll let anybody report if you're hurt.
With the tow company and you're going
No injuries.
I'll let he's the only one.
We're all good.
Anyone.
Gotta get somebody in front of him. Put him bumper to bumper to
We'll
bumper.
get right in front of him.
Heavy in Route 32, clear.
Yeah, you gotta get right in front of him. Alright, they got 4 cars touching him now, but he's still trying to plow through. Stand by, he might be stuck good this time. He's got his hands out. I think we might have him surrender here now. And for now, I think there's plenty of people out here, starting to extract them from the truck now. And they're securing the driver.
Okay, we gotta go.
Alright.
Ready to see?
Man, you can send me like 16 hours.
Copy, Dean.
Alright, we're extremely low on fuel. If you could call us with that info, and we got everything on tape for you guys if you need it. If you can signal our heliport when you get a chance.
That was pretty wild.